Breaking news here on the Rundown. Canada's telecommunications regulator says the big three firms in Canada must offer wholesale wireless access to operators of mobile virtual networks. They say it will spur more wireless competition for Canadians. What does this mean for you? Well, John Lawford is the Executive Director and General Counsel for the Public Interest Advocacy Centre. He's been going over the documents and he joins me now. Hi, John.
Hi, Carol.
Is this good news for Canadians?
Absolutely. It's good news for Canadians. We've been working for years to try to put more competition into the wireless market, and it's finally arrived today. It's a little bit of a convoluted way the CRTC is going to get it to, but the bottom line is you should be expecting new services in the coming months and years with lower prices for wireless.
Yeah, the announcement is a little bit convoluted as well. Can you break it down for us? Bottom line, what's going on here?
Well, breaking it down, the CRTC is asking the major providers, that's Bell, Telus, and Rogers, to give access to their wireless networks through regional networks and then through to these MVNOs. Not to confuse people, the point is you'll be able to pick up a cell phone from a new company that gives you access to the same kind of range of services you would have from the big three, and probably at a lesser price sometime in the next, I'd say year, 18 months.
Okay, a year, 18 months. That's good to know. Okay, it says the announcement from the CRTC, in an effort to benefit consumers, the CRTC is also requiring that the national wireless carriers implement seamless roaming to help prevent dropped calls and data sessions when customers move from one network to another, especially during travel. How important was this?
Oh, that's something that's very important. We've been waiting for years for that for consumers. If you had an alternative carrier and you were traveling across the country, or even just outside the limits of that carrier's own network, you'd get what's called a hard handoff before, and you'd lose the call a lot of the time. This is something that could be done technically years ago, but we're finally requiring the big companies to let you do it. So you shouldn't have any trouble depending on whatever carrier you take now. It shouldn't matter which one you have. You shouldn't lose any calls while you're traveling with your mobile device.
Okay, and the CRTC taking action to ensure that Canadians, including seniors, low-income earners, and those who use their mobile phones sparingly, can benefit from more affordable mobile plans that meet their needs. What is this addressing?
In this hearing, our group and three other seniors and lower income groups specifically asked for cell phone plans that were affordable to Canadians on more modest means and and seniors on fixed incomes. And we made the case that those people had very little choice in the market. All the plans were very big and very expensive, didn't meet their needs. And now the CRTC is saying they're requiring the biggest companies to offer that kind of plan. They want it to be promoted, and they're going to be following it very closely, and the results are going to be posted on the CRTC website. So hopefully they'll sort of shame them into offering something that's, say, like a $20 or $30 at most wireless plan for people that can't pay the around $100, which is really what's the going rate these days.
Yeah, why is it so expensive in Canada compared to everywhere else?
Well, that's the big, $64,000 question. I'll say from our point of view, it's a lack of competition and a little bit of favorable treatment over the years from the regulator to the major three providers. But this decision today is the result of many parties saying that we need to change that. And lots of Canadians, I congratulate them. They've told their MP what they want, and today we're getting a decision that gives them more choice.
Over the next year to 18 months. All right, John
Yes.
Lawford, thank you so much.
Thank you, Carol.